Some people ask me, what are the benefits of sleep? Should I get more sleep or less sleep? If you're active in any way, whether it is working, excuse me, or working out, or you have kids and you're running around a lot, you're going to use up a lot of energy. And if you don't get the rest to recuperate, you're constantly going to be breaking down your body little by little until at one point you're going to totally crash. Your nervous system is going to start acting weird. You're going to get headaches. You're going to get panic attacks. You're going to be paranoid. You're going to be antsy. You're not going to be able to respond correctly to most things because of the fact that the less sleep you get, the worse your body has time to adapt to your daily activities. It just wants to crash. And unfortunately, a lot of people, when they are tired, they start eating junk because it gives them the sudden surge, that for maybe an hour and a half, but then you crash again. So my suggestion is that you get a lot of sleep, you get as much sleep as you need to get so you can be energetic the next day and not pay the price of being irritated, aggravated, stressed, and in a bad mood.